And that's the only reason you see me back here, because I ain't got nothing to make me happy no more where I was at. Down in the Everglades there, down on the muck. It's hard for me to understand what you mean, the way you tell it. And then again, I'm hard of understanding at times. No, 'tain't nothing like you might think. So, 'tain't no use in me telling you something unless I give you to understand and go along with it. Unless you see the fur, a mink skin ain't no different from a coon hide. Look at here, Phoebe. Is Sam waiting on you for his supper? It's already in waiting. If he ain't got sense enough to eat it, that's his hard luck. Well then, we can sit right where we is and talk. I got the house all opened up to let this breeze get a little catching. Phoebe, we've been kissing friends for 20 years, so I depend on you for a good thought. And I'm talking to you from that standpoint. Time makes everything old, so the kissing young darkness became a monstrous old thing while Jeannie talked.